Hey guys, welcome to another short and sharp maths video. This time we want to have a look at the index laws 1, 2 and 3. Alright, before we get started, let's do a quick review. When we talk about index laws, we always have a base number. Here we use the letter A, that means we can use any number. The m is our exponent, and m tells us how many times we need to multiply the base number A by itself. If you're not sure about it, just go back and watch the introduction video one more time where I explained it in a little bit more detail. But I think most of you are fine. Alright, index law number 1. Alright, we have a number which is risen to a certain exponent. We multiply the same base number. This is why we talk about A times A. And this second number, base number, has an exponent as well. Alright, now how can we simplify that? If we multiply the same number, we just need to add the exponents, so m plus n. That sounds difficult, but it isn't. Alright, let's say 5 is our base number, the exponent is 2. We multiply by the same base number, so it must be 5. And here, for the second number, we have 4 as an exponent. So now, we have just one base number, 5, and we just need to add 2 plus 4. Alright, that's straightforward. Now we have 5 to the 6th power. That's straightforward. That just means the 6 tells us that the 5 is multiplied 6 times by itself. Here we go. That gives us a pretty big number. In this case, 15,625. Alright, straightforward. That was index law number 1. That means when we multiply the same number with each other, we need to add the exponents. The second index law tells us when we divide the same number by itself. Alright, here we go. A to the mth power divided. It's not multiplication, it's division. Same base number, n. Our exponent n could be any number. Now, as we multiplied them, we needed to add them together. Now we divide, we need to subtract them. That means m minus n. Let's have a look at an example here as well. So 5 to the 5th power divided. Very important. We talk about division, okay? And here we have 5 as base number as well. And our exponent here is 3. That means we have one base number, which is 5. And now we just need to subtract 3 from 5. So 5 minus 3. Excellent. That gives us 5 to the 2nd power. That just tells us 5 is multiplied once by itself. So 5 times 5. That's straightforward. And 5 times 5 gives us 25. Easy. So when we divide, we need to subtract the exponents, and when we multiply, we need to add the exponents. Alright, let's have a look at one specific example. When we have the same exponent, here we have base number 3, exponent 3, divided by the same number, same base number, and same exponent. That means, with the law we just learned, 3, and we need to subtract 3 from 3. That ends up being 3 to the 0 power. Yeah, correct. And that's always 1. If this is a little bit confusing, I'll show you a different way to think about it. 3 to the 3rd power just means 3 times 3 times 3 divided by 3 times 3 times 3. That is 27 divided by 27. If you divide any number by itself, it will always be 1. So any power of 0 will always give you 1. Alright, awesome. Thank you very much for watching. Now, I want you to practice these laws, have a look at a few examples, use them, work with them, and you will get really familiar with them. Awesome. Thank you.